Okay, here I'm gonna demonstrate the really easy blink LED on a Raspberry Pi, and my Raspberry Pi is running wireless to my router, but doing something a little different because I'm running a VNC server on my Raspberry Pi and running a VNC client on my laptop, which is running Linux also. So I'm able to do everything remotely with the VNC client, which you see here. And what I will be demonstrating that's different about this LED example is I'm using a tool called MonoDevelop, which is basically like Visual Studio for Windows, and it basically is Visual Studios but on Linux, and Mono is the .NET framework for Linux. So I am able to develop things in C# like I would in Windows, but I'm not. I'm doing it on the Raspberry Pi, which is amazing. It's only got 1 gig of memory, but it runs quite well. And I'll bring up my project. And so with MonoDevelop, I'm able to develop a really nice GUI and use C# as my language of choice to toggle pins on the Raspberry Pi. And so here we can see it's just a window with the checkbox, and unfortunately my window is going off the screen. I'll have to change that, but I can run it for you so you can see. Run. And so I'm able to use all the nice GUI tools like you're used to in Visual Studio, except I'm all running everything on the Raspberry Pi. So all of this is not on my laptop. I'm just running a client. So when I check the checkbox, hopefully you'll see that the LED is now on. When I turn the checkbox off, the LED is now off. Turn it on and turn it off, and it's off. So it's a real simple example, but it now gives you the ability to do all kinds of things with the pins of a Raspberry Pi with a nice GUI on the Raspberry Pi using MonoDevelop. That's it.